are students who are outside the UK and they want to visit the UK during the holidays. So let's check UK visa application. Yep. Let's apply. Let's check what they need together. Yeah, always make sure that it's that domain gov.uk. Yes, just go to home. There is a lot of information here that you can read, but just go to home. It will be easier. It makes things easier for you. Then you go to visas and immigration, and then you go to visit the UK. Then we go to visit the UK as a standard visitor. Visit the UK as a standard visitor on a business, study, whatever. You can just go as a standard visitor. You can read all the information you need here. Visa fees, yeah, it's £100 if you're gonna stay here for 6 months. Apply online. Let's apply now. Select your language, English. Let me just use India. Yes, I have identified the location where I will go. Apply for UK visitor visa. When you cannot use this service, you must apply here if you're traveling to the UK and you are exempt from UK immigration control, a diplomat, or official business. Well, we're just students, so no. Tuberculosis test, yeah. If you are going to visit for not more than 6 months, you do not need a TB test. Start a new application. Register your email. Create a password. Continue. Yeah, it belongs to me. Of course, it belongs to your mom. Dosa, do you have another email address? Nope. Your telephone number? What's the country code for India? +91. Just copy this. I paste it here. Just unmatch the style. Perfect. For use, I mean, if you have a UK number, you can do that for use whilst in the UK or while outside of the UK. I'm coming from India. My mobile telephone number. Save and continue. Any other telephone numbers? No, don't give me other problems. Contacting you by telephone, that should be fine. I can be contacted by a call or text message. Your name. What's your name? My name is Anne. What's your family name? They call it Nakaze. The major mistake in this application, that's not an Indian name. In addition to the names you already provided, are you now or have you ever been known by other names? No. Your sex, I'm a female. What's your relationship? Where should we go with? Let's go single. It's easier. Things are easier when you're single. My address is Mumbai International Airport. About this property. Years, maybe 10. I rent it. If you own it, please do so. Your passport. You must use your passport or travel document to complete this section. Here is the problem. I think there is a problem here. The reason is because I don't think that they will allow the passport. They will allow a fake passport. Indian passport. H9137. They've allowed it. Oh, we can proceed. Your identity card. Do you have a valid national identity card? I just said no because I don't want to fake that. Your nationality, country, date of birth. Your other nationalities. Do you currently hold or have you ever held any other nationality or citizenship? No. Continue. Your employment status. Your income and savings. Do you have another income or any savings? You can select more than one option. Other regular, additional income, savings. I do not have any other income or savings. And this can happen if somebody else is offering you this trip, right? Or your parents are doing so. So, about the cost of your visit. How much money are you personally planning to spend on your visit? Mm-hmm. A visa is gonna be about, no, no, not a visa. Ticket is gonna be about maybe 600. Not so sure though. But let's just say £1,500, right? That's what you wanna spend. About your financial situation. What's the total amount of money you spend each month? Eh? Paying for your visit. Will anyone be paying towards the cost of your visit? Yes. Somebody else is gonna pay for it because I'm a student. Help towards the cost of your visit. Someone I know. Exactly. Oh, anyone, please, If the person is in your country, India, then come on, just write their names. Maybe your parents or your partner. How much will they be paying towards your visit? All of it. Because I'm a student, right? And I'm poor. Why are they helping to pay for your visit? They are my family. To be specific, my sister, elder sister. More help towards the cost of your visit? Definitely not. I've already told you it's 1,500. Darling, your planned travel information. Date you plan to arrive in the UK. Let's just use the same date. Let's say spoken language a preference, English. Main reason for your visit, tourism. Let's say visiting family. Visiting your sister, right? Your activities from 27th to 30th. I plan to visit the Lake District, right? Okay, you can do so many things. Please choose whatever you want and continue. People financially dependent on you. No, you're a student. Give details about your first parent. You can put in whatever you want. Let's just continue. Family who live in the UK. Yes, because you said you're gonna visit your sister, right? Temporary visa. Their passport number. Hmm, 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 hmm. Then you have to fake another passport. Z6329. Other relatives who live in the UK? No, I only have my sister. Traveling as part of an organized group? No, I'm going solo. Traveling with another person? No, I love being alone. Staying with family? Staying with family? Who will you be staying with in the UK? Choose only one person if your family lives at the same address. If you will not be staying with the family, click save and continue. I can stay with my family. Contact details of Annetmaya. I don't like it when you actually ask for contact details, but what can I tell you, baby? Can we get any other UK number? Okay, let's get one. 7, 7, 4, 7, 2, 4, 4, no, no, 2, 2, 4, 1, 6, 8. Good one. Email address. No thanks, don't save it. Come on. Other places you will stay while in the UK? No, I only stay here and consume her food, her water, and how many times have you visited the following places in the past? No. Oh, no, 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 don't escape. Oh, 0. Wow, travel history. No, 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 no. I haven't been anywhere here. Please. I want this to reach the end. Saving it takes some time because you are using cookies. Immigration history. No. Breach of UK immigration law. Have you ever? No. It's my first time to visit here. As a cool student. Convictions and other penalties, criminal, none of the above. I've never had any of this, I promise. What crimes? You must read all of the information on this page before answering what crimes in either case or nope. Terrorist activities, organizations, and views. No. No. Have you, by any means or medium, expressed views that justify or glorify terrorist violence? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Extremist organizations and views. No. No. I have read and understood. Person of good character? Yeah, I'm still a person of good character. Your employment history. Additional information about your application. If you have changed your passport or if you're planning to change your passport, you can mention that. But don't say so much, I think. I think you should be confident in the information you are providing. You know, it's always good to show confidence, man. Be confident, be confident, be confident. Yes, you'll have to go through all this information and you'll be asked whether you want to change anything or not. You see here your planned travel information. The date you plan to arrive in the UK, we said 25th of July, right? But I think here, it is somewhere here, the date you arrive at this address. Let's see if we can change this date because it must match the other date, right? Yeah, we've, just gone back one step. It should be July, right? We said July, this will be August. 7, continue. Perfect. Yeah. I had forgotten. Sorry. And yeah, you'll have a chance to go through this information so you don't, make any mistake. Yeah, let's continue. Evidence of funds available to you, which are clearly accessible by you. Yeah, I can send my bank statement to you, evidence of support you will receive from your sponsor, including details of what support is being provided. Yes, evidence of the relationship, if any, between you and your sponsor. Yes, you can send a picture, family photo, evidence that your sponsor is not or will not be in the UK in breach of UK laws. Come on. I think you just have to submit a copy of their passport. I don't know what you should do here. Invitation from your UK-based family and evidence of their permission to be in the UK. Invitation? Like what kind of invitation? I've never done this, but I think I have to do some research about it. Evidence of their permission in the UK. I think the passport is enough here. And then the UK permit, residence permit is enough. After you submit your application, you must provide your documents to our commercial partner. You provide your documents by uploading copies. Yeah, this is very, very easy. Don't forget do this step. Otherwise, you're going to pay, I think about how many dollars? It's a lot of dollars you're going to pay. Yeah, if you go to the TLS Center or VG Global, what is it called? VF, VGF, I don't remember. But those are the two companies that normally work. That are the 30 companies that work on UK visas. So let's continue. How can I write an invitation? I should search about that. Documents. Review your answers. Other documents. This family photo. And then you can tick on this maybe. Yeah. Maybe this can be in form of writing. I need to do this actually practically to really understand how it is. Visitor conditions. You can be detained if you do all these things. You cannot get free medical treatment from the NHS unless you are exempt from charges. If you do not pay for any billed treatment, this may affect future visa applications. You or your family members are not entitled to receive state-funded education whilst in the UK. You should leave the UK when your visa ends. If not, you may be removed and banned from the UK. I confirm that I understand and accept these conditions. I do, darling. Declaration. Service update. Read all this information because I think it's very important. I am the applicant aged 18 and over. University student, darling. Check your answers. If you skip this tape, the answers will be locked and I think you won't have any access to them. Yeah, read everything carefully, darling. Don't rush. It's important that you apply to something that you do understand. Visa options. 6 months. Up to 6 months, yeah. It's so sad they don't have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It would have been cheaper. Choose a service. Standard service based on the choice in total. Oh my God. When I saw this, I thought it was in pounds and I was like, oh, this is a lot. Oh, so 100 pounds is about 10,000 rupees. Is this rupees? Indian rupees, I think. Yeah. Do and continue. Your payment. You're paying this. Before you continue, you should only move to the next page if you have checked your answers and you are ready to submit your application. Once you select continue toward pay, you will not be able to return and edit your application. Continue toward pay. I do think that I've done my best. Yeah, amazing. So payment details, put in your card number, or a person who is going to cover this, they can use their card numbers, and yeah, they can make the payment. And once you make the payment, you will just log in again. You'll go to your email address, you log in again, and once you log in again, they will take you directly to the page where you're going to upload your documents. Yeah, and I think that will be all, nothing else. Yeah, so if you don't know how to pay, I made a video about how to apply for the student visa already, and I have completed the entire process. So please go to my initial video and follow the payment process. If you are booking to submit your biometrics to the TLS or the global V something, you can just go for standard. I think it will be about 1 week after you submit your application. Good luck. Woohoo! Jupiter.
We have all this technology, so we're using it. They didn't have. All they had was, apples falling from trees or whatever.
Confirming gravity.